most unique feature of the TK11 Tactical Flashlight is the operating mode toggle switch. This allows you to choose between 3 modes. Duty mode allows you to tap for momentary on, press for on, and then tap to select a brightness level. Hold for strobe. The lockout mode locks the light so you can't actually activate it. The tactical mode limits the flashlight to the brightest level only. Or hold for strobe. Got any questions? Chat with our experts at FenixLighting.com.